Can you solve this question? Never, no one tell you this one how to solve this challenging maths for exponential. Let I show you by clear method, by clear explanation. Stay up to the end, stay blessed. The question is for the power of x plus to the power of x is equal to 6. Our today question is this one. Then let we solution. For the power of x plus 2x means let we put the base to the same. The base, this for 2 the power of 2x plus to the power of x is equal to 6. Let I say it like this one, because the rewrite the base to the same. This 2, yeah, the same to become. Let we also rewrite this x. Let I put this one. This let I put this one. Then 2x. This let put out 1. Rearrange plus 2 the power of x is equal to 6. Yeah. Then let's say 2 the power of x is equal to u. Let I say this one u. Let I put in the place of 2 the power of x u. Then around 2 the power of x u. Then there is square u square plus 2 the power of x. Let I said u by this rule. Then let I put u. Then is equals to 6. After that, u square plus u. Okay, this to become minus 6 is equals to 0. Yeah, let this. I put this place. Then okay. After that, 3 u square plus 3u minus 2u minus 6 is equals to 0. Okay, don't be confused. From where you come this 3u minus 2u, if you said, this means by product rules, there is a product rules. 3u minus 2u means u. Yeah. I put in the place of this u by this 4. Also, this 3u minus 2u, it becomes 3 times 2 means 6. Yeah. Then I showed you on another part. You can refer how to do the quadratic by product rules. Yeah, I explained clearly on another part. You can refer. Then this let we divide it into 2 places. Yeah, you by 2. Yeah, by 2. Yes, by 2. Then which is the common? Use the common. U the common. Let put out of the bracket u. Then which is u plus 3 is left. Yeah, u is taken to this. Y u is taken from this. Then which is left? U plus 3. Do you get? Yes. I take the common from this 2. Also from this 2, let I take the common. The common one minus is the common. Let I take. Then the 2 also the common. After that, u plus 3 is left is equals to 0. Yeah, u plus 3 is left. How it become? Minus 2 times u minus 2u minus 2 times plus 3 minus 6. Yeah, it can prove this one. For this reason, yeah, I put by this one. When I take the common number from this there is 2. Okay, after that, from this, let I take 1 only. Then this is, it come to the 1. U minus 2, the bracket, U plus 3 is equals to 0. Yeah. After that, U is how much? U is equals to 2. U is equals to minus 3. Yeah. The value of U we get it. U is equals to 2 and U is equals to minus 3. Yeah. We are right. Then, before what we said, to the power of x is equals to u, let. Then we got the value of u2, let I put to the power of x is equals to, in the place of u, there is 2. Or, okay, to the power of x, in the place of this u, this minus 3, I put it. Then the final answer is, this one we can rearrange to the logarithm form. This base to this. Okay, then okay, then this is a, okay, this is 2 of 2 is equals to x. Yeah, this is this place, this is of, or logarithm of base 2 minus 3 is equals to x. Logarithm of 2 means it become 1. It become cancel to each other. Then x is equals to how much? 1. The final answer. Or this you can change by logarithm formula. This logarithm of 3 divided logarithm of 2. Then you can get the final answer. Yeah. You can finish it. Thank you. We stay with together up to the end. I hope as you get something, and you can, as you achieve things. I hope. Thank you. Subscribe it, share it, like it, comment it.